Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay mag-aaral tayo kung paano ba mag-divide ng polynomials. Particularly, polynomial divided by a monomial dito sa first part ng series, and siguro later sa the latter part of the series we will discuss more complicated expressions or polynomials. So let's start with our first example. Okay, lilitan lang muna natin yung ating, sorry. Okay, so what is 9a minus 6b divided by 3, Okay, so paano ba yung ganyan, So, since naka-parenthesis ito, ibig sabihin, this expression is the same as 9a minus 6b, all over 3, Okay? So, ibig sabihin ay i-divide natin yung bawat terms into 3, So, magiging equal to 9a over 3 minus 6b over 3, which is equal to, pag sinimplify natin, 9a over 3, 9 divided by 3 is 3a, and then 6 divided by 3 is, mag-minus muna tayo, and then 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2, and then b, So another way to look at this is, di ba, pag sabi natin, pag nag-divide tayo ng 3, it is the same as multiplying the number by 1/3, So, pwede natin i-convert ito sa multiplication, magiging equal siya sa 9a minus 6b times 1/3, So, pwede natin ilagay 1/3 dito, kasi ang multiplication naman ay commutative, So, ibig sabihin ay, lagyan natin na division para hindi tayo malito. Which means na pwede natin i-distribute, As I was saying earlier, pwede tayong times 1/3, but since multiplication is commutative, so division natin naging multiplication na, is commutative, then what happens is that pwede nating ilipat yung 1/3 sa kabila, So parang sinasabi natin na x times y is the same as y times x, Yun yung commutative property. Kaya pwede natin baliktarin. So magiging ganun din, Mabalik siya dito, Magiging 1/3 times 9a, Sorry, 1/3 times 9a, hindi ma-perfect yung a. Then, minus 1/3 times 6b, Again, babalik siya dito, So, magiging 9a over 3. Medyo masyado tayong detalye, but it's 9a over 3 minus 6b over 3 is equal to 3a minus 2b. So, yan yung sa unang example natin. So, sa second example, let's look at what is x squared y plus xy squared divided by xy. So, hindi na tayo magaganito, kasi alam naman natin na we have to divide both terms by xy. So, magiging equal to x squared y over xy plus xy squared over xy, ano? So, ang mangyayari dito is equal siya sa y divided by 1, magiging, y divided by y is magiging 1 na ito. Huh? And then x squared divided by x. So, may isang x na matitira sa taas, so matitira na lang is x. And dito, x divided by x is equal to 1, so makakancel na ito, maging 1. And then y squared divided by y is equal to y. Ano? So, ito equal to x ito. So, magiging plus y. Ano? So, ito na yung ating sagot. Okay, next example. Siguro maglinis muna tayo ng ating whiteboard. Okay. Example 3. 8 b squared plus, 8b squared q plus 12b q squared divided by 4pq. Parang pareho lang ito ng second example natin, kaso dito may mga hindi 1 na yung kanyang numerical coefficient. Ano? So again, pwede natin i-distribute 8p squared q divided by 4pq plus 12p q squared divided by 4pq. Huh? And then 8 divided by 4 is 2. P squared divided by P is P, ano? May matitirang isa sa taas. And then Q divided by Q is 1. So, hindi na natin siya kailangang isulat. Plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then P divided by P is 1. Magiging times 1. So, 3 times 1 is 3. So, hindi na natin kailangang isulat. And then Q squared divided by Q is Q. So, ito na yung pinakasagot natin. Ano? Okay, so yan lang muna yung ating tatlong examples para hindi masyadong mahaba yung ating video. See you in the next tutorial. Doon natin i-discuss yung mas complicated pa na division. Maraming salamat!